Hi, Epidemic. This is a response to your comment in which you're saying I'm confusing you with saying that evolution can account for objective morality. So, firstly, I want to point something else. That was a mistake, a grammatical, or how do you call this? I don't know, kind of mistake. Um, what I was trying to say is this: evolution can account for moral behavior, for behavior. You call that behavior moral. Okay, it doesn't matter. Evolution can account for any kind of behavior. Um, evolution to say that evolution cannot account for objective morality is to commit a fallacy, as in you must already imply there is such a thing as objective morality, which I'm not. I'm only working in the naturalistic hypothesis. Um, Oop, breakfast ready. What I'm trying to say is this, and I'll make that senses analogy. They're kind of more tangible. Yeah, so we do have a sense of sight that works. Let's say it works perfectly in the sense that you could distinguish details 5 times as with a resolution 5 times as powerful as we do now, and everybody in the world saw everything in with the same details. Okay, would that prove that colors exist, or that there are such things as colors in the universe? No. Reality is formed from atoms, and these things interact, and more stuff than atoms, but who cares? These stuff interact with each other, and you do not require. I mean, there's the reality out there, and you perceive reality through your sense of sight, through your sense of hearing, taste, touch, whatever. The fact is, the universe does not have any idea about this stuff. No particle has such thing as temperature. No particle has such thing as color, such thing as taste. These are constructions of your brain, and only your brain. They do not point out to the fact that reality has these properties. In the same sense, we do have an individual sense of morality. What I'm calling an individual sense of morality is our urge to do something or to think in some way about something. That's what I'm calling individual morality. It is not a perception of morality. It is a perception of reality that induces a behavior. You call that behavior moral behavior or moral obligations. I don't need to call that behavior, moral obligations. That's only, I don't know, calling stuff 5 different ways so you can argue about it. It's the same stuff. Evolution can account for our behavior. You call that behavior moral. Okay, our behavior do not points out to anything other than our behavior, and evolution could very well account for it. Um, obviously, obviously, it's kind of extremely plausible that the only thing that needs to explain our moral behavior are some neural systems, neural networks in our brain. Fine, okay, evolution build your brain. So yeah, I wasn't even assuming in my video that there is such a thing as objective morality, and our individual perception of morality does not perceive morality, it perceives reality. And in the same way that reality is only one thing, and we perceive it through senses of sight, hearing, smell, morality, I don't know, whatever else you want to call it, that does not prove those things exist. The universe does not need to have a property called morality attached to every particle or to every fact. Facts are facts, are coincidences of atoms smashing together and responding in a quantic way. Um, there doesn't need to be such thing as morality at all. I don't know if you got the gist of what I was trying to say. As in, we can determine that atoms exist through countless experiments and theories over time. And yeah, theories are something that's very close to the truth, more close to the truth than facts are, or something like that. In the same way that we can describe atoms by theories and experiments, we would need some other experiments and theories to prove there is such thing as morality. However, those would kind of be flawed, because we already have evolution to explain for our behavior, and our behavior is our behavior. If you want to call it 500,000 ways, okay, you can call it that, but it's still only one thing: behavior, which is induced, which is created and concocted by evolution. So I hope you got the gist of what I was trying to say. If not, post some comment, and yeah, I hope our disagreements can be settled. So until later, have fun. Ciao.